How to buy broccoli token. See, this token came under the symbol of BROC. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards in crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Found your accounts, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going out by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 5 hours ago and increased by 10,000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's mean your investment in the safe place. And also, this token trending right now #1 in the Binance Smart Chain section. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Click here to copy the token address and onto your Biscuit wallet. For that, go to your wallet and select the BNB chain as a network from here. Click on this plus icon and paste the token address here. As you can see, you will find your token here, and click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and try to find your token that you just added called BROC. So after you find it, click on it and here click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure, of course, that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now, that type how much you want to buy, and in a while, you will be able to see here how much you receive that token, as you can see. And after that, clicking on swap, and you'll be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy BROC token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.